Hello, teacher. Personal information. What is your name? My name is Joiner Carvajal. How are you? I am 32 years old. Where do you live? I live in Barranca Bermeja. Are you single or married? I live in Free Union. Do you have children? Yes, I have a 5-year-old daughter. Who do you live with? I live with my partner, my daughter, my mother. Where are you studying? I am studying industrial engineering. What are your hobbies? I like to practice soccer, listen to music, and share with my friends. Where do you work? Uh, yes, I currently working in Barranca Bermeja with the General Company of Colombia Equipment, Colsa, as a business advisor. Thank you.